It's 6 o'clock, and you're watching Good Day OK.
Rise and shine, everybody. It is the last day of the year, Emily.
2020, we're saying bye-bye and hello to 2021.
Yes, we welcome you. Come on through.
All right, let's check in with Chip now because unfortunately we are going out with a bang.
Yeah. Devin Smith as we explore what's best for our furry friends on For Pet's Sake.
Fridays on the Fox 25 News at 11, sponsored by Mathis Brothers. You're watching Good Day OK.
Good morning, everybody. Here's a live look at the New Year, New Justice Walk for Julius Jones, the death row inmate. It's happening right now. You can see supporters, they're actually going to walk 131 miles for Julius Jones. Wayne Stafford is following this long trek. We'll check in with him in just a few minutes. But first, let's ring in the new year, folks, with Emily Collins. This is how you want to do it.
We're doing it right and in style, Jazz.
Yes, we're going to do that.
All right, but first, weather with Chip, because that's the biggest talker today with winter storms moving in.
Yeah, walking around today, you're dealing with cold air, but if you remember yesterday, we were talking about our winter weather alert starting up at noon today. That's been pushed back a little bit.
Information on opening night 2021. Go to our website, okcfox.com.
It's 7 o'clock, and you're watching Good Day OK.
Good morning, everybody. Rise and shine. It's the last day of the year, so you got to make it count.
We do have to make it count. We're going to help you do it right here on Good Day OK. Unfortunately, though, we've got to talk about the weather, and we do have a winter storm moving in. So this evening could be a bit dicey.
Yeah, it looks a little ugly this evening. Cold air is here, and we're going to be near freezing as precipitation cranks up into the late afternoon and evening, but we're dry through most of the day. 26 Shawnee, picking up a little snow yesterday. 27 is the current temperature. Yukon, but skies are generally partly to mostly cloudy, not showing precipitation just yet. Our weather maker, this upper level low continuing to bring that moisture further northward, and that's going to be returning